Hi students, and today we are going to discuss one important concept in chemistry, that is physical chemistry, electrochemical series. This is in electrochemistry, and electrochemical series is very important for PUC as well as competitives especially, and based on this they are asking questions also. That's why we have to remember electrochemical series. So in that, high reduction power to low reduction power elements are arranged, means which is more reducing power, which is less reducing power. So values no need to by heart, but which is more reactive, which is less reactive, that we have to remember. Why? Because questions will ask like this. Look here. Arrange the following metals in order which they displace each other from the solution of their salts. Aluminium, copper, iron, magnesium, zinc. So which metal can displace to other metal in their solution? We have to write in one particular order. More reactive to less reactive. Similarly, another question you see here. Given standard electrode potential, SRP is given: potassium, silver, mercury, magnesium, chromium. They are asking, arrange these metals in their increasing order of reducing power. SRP is given, they are asking reducing power. So to solve like these questions, we have to know about electrochemical series. So which is more, which is less, means which is having more reducing power, which is less reducing power. So it is very difficult to remember all by their values. That's why I am making a short trick to remember electrochemical series. So short tricks are just giving an idea, not complete information. If you have some idea, then to avoid confusion, these short tricks are helpful for you. It is not giving complete information. So it has its own merit and demerit. So you have to take care. I am starting with, so first I am giving in English, then I will show in Hindi also. Right. First few elements I am giving. First I am giving here one statement. Kings cannot make a zebra. So this is funny trick just. Kings cannot make zebra. Before that you remember, here you write Li, means lithium. Kings means K, potassium. Cannot means Ca, calcium. Here not you have sodium, and here make magnesium. Make is magnesium. A means aluminium. Zebra means zinc. This is a decreasing order of reduction power. So more is lithium, next potassium, next calcium, next sodium, next magnesium, next aluminium, next zinc. So first 7. See here, lithium you remember. Kings cannot make a zebra. Kings cannot make a zebra. Next another line I am making, another line with few more. Go for I like his cars silvery gate. This is another line. Before that you remember here chromium. I means iron, like means Here you have to remember like means lead. His means hydrogen. Cars means you have to remember that copper. Silvery means silver. Gate means gold. Now you got almost important metal ions to their metals. See, kings cannot make a zebra. Before you have to write lithium. 7 metals you got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Another statement, I like his car's silvery gate. Before that you take chromium. Before that you take chromium. Clear? Cr. Here you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 14. Almost main important metals are all I given. So these lines. So chromium more than iron, then lead, then hydrogen, then copper, then silver, and then gold. So highest reducing power to lowest reducing power. Highest to lowest. This is the order I given. Decreasing order. Decreasing order. Decreasing order of reducing power. So highest reducing power for lithium, next potassium, calcium, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, zinc, next chromium, iron, lead, hydrogen, copper, silver, gold. Now the question will do here. One more thing you can remember. More reactive metal can displace. This you know already. Less reactive metal from its compound. Next, reactive metal. More reactive can displace less reactive. For example, you go for copper sulfate plus iron is given. So you don't know which is more reactive, which is less reactive. Go for iron here. See here. Iron we have here. And copper we have here. Iron is more reactive. That's why it can displace copper. You are getting now iron sulfate, and copper is displaced. But reverse can't possible. If you are taking here iron sulfate, here copper can't displace iron. Why? Because iron is more reactive than copper. Iron can displace, but copper can't. This is the use. And the question here I am explaining to you, that is, I told already. Look at the question. Arrange the following metals in order which they displace each other from their solution of their salts. Look here given. The question is aluminum, copper, iron, magnesium and zinc. We have to write in order. So more reactive in order, that you go for that. In this here we have magnesium. Magnesium is more reactive. Next we have aluminum. So first magnesium, next aluminum, next we have zinc, next we have iron. See here iron is there. Next we have remaining zinc completed copper. So this can displace this, this can displace this, this can displace this, and this can displace this. This is the order of reactivity. Clear? More reactive to less reactive. So this is more reactive and this is least reactive according to given compounds. So if you remember this, you can solve like these problems easily. These are NCERT in text question. So NCERT in text questions are very important. So you have to capable that. So what is the line you have to remember? Kings cannot make a zebra. I like his car's silvery gate. Kings before you write lithium, I before you write chromium. So more reactive can displace, less reactive, but this can't displace. This is in English. If anybody need in Hindi some more, you can go for that. I will explain in Hindi also. If Hindi people are there, they can. So here I am using that is black money issue. That is, I am giving here the statement, black money issue. The story is black money. I am giving. लेके हिंदी काला धन लेके काला धन नमो जी मीन्स नरेंद्र मोदी जी लेके काला धन नमो जी आए. क्लियर. लेके काला धन नमो जी आए. जनता मीन्स पीपल. करे फिकर जनता करे फिकर. नहीं सुनकर जनता करे फिकर नहीं सुनकर. करेंसी पर बैन है. दिस इज लेके काला धन नमोजी आए. जनता करे फिकर नहीं सुनकर. करेंसी बैन पर है. लुक हियर. लेके लिथियम पोटाशियम, काला धन calcium, sodium namoji. In this sodium we have this magnesium and this Mg, your M and G magnesium, Ia aluminum, janta zinc, Kare Cr, you take C and R, chromium. Next fikir, that is iron. Nai nickel, sunkar S and N you take tin. Currency here just a statement only. Per ban, currency per ban, P and B you take lead and high hydrogen. Still few elements we have. You continue like this. We have copper, then silver, then we have mercury, then we have gold. This we have, means copper we have, silver we have, mercury Hg we have, and gold Au we have. To this continue, you can write these all elements: copper, silver, mercury and gold. Simply you write like this: cos Mg, cos theta you know na in maths, cos Mg. After this you write cos Mg. What is the meaning for cos Mg? Means C means, that is CO means copper, S means silver, M means mercury, G means gold. So लेके काला धन नमोजी आए. जनता करे फिकिर नहीं सुनकर. करेंसी पर बैन है. Currency ban, that the story. And after that we have least reactive also: copper, silver, mercury, gold. That you remember cos Mg, like cos theta. In maths you have cos theta, like that cos Mg. Cos Mg means CO means copper, S means silver, M means mercury, G means gold. Like this also you can remember. Leke, L means lithium, K potassium, kala dhan calcium, N sodium, Na here, Namoji Narendra Modi ji, M and G magnesium, Ia aluminum, Janta zinc, Kare, chromium, Fikir, iron, Nai, nickel, Sunkar, S and N you remember, tin, and this is for only statement line purpose. Per ban, P and B you remember, lead and then hydrogen, and remaining cos Mg, cos Mg, and this is the idea to remember in English and Hindi. Clear? And we'll do one more question based on this. One question already I explained. This is how to arrange which one can displace other. That is more reactive can displace another one like this, and like this. So this is the order. Reverse can't possible. This can't display this and can't because reactivity is different. And one more question, you go for that. I am explaining very important, and this is previously given for a need purpose. Look here. Given standard electrode potential, SRP value given. Potassium minus 2.93, silver 0. Plus value 80, mercury 0.79, and magnesium minus 2.37, chromium minus 0.74. These SRP values given, standard reduction potential. What they are asking, arrange these metals in their increasing order of reducing power. So here you have to remember the concept, lower the reduction potential, that is electrode potential, reducing power, higher the reducing power. Lower the SRP value, higher the reducing power. Lower the SRP value, if you remember this SRP, higher the reducing power. See here, we need increasing order, means first least we need. Look here, who is the high value? See here, higher SRP value we need. 0.80 is more. Next 0.79. 0.79 we have. Next we have minus 0.74. Next we have magnesium minus 2.37. Next we have like this. Clear? Lower the SRP value, higher the reducing power. See here, increasing order we need. First, silver you take. High reducing power, SRP value is there. High SRP value for silver plus 0.8. Next, mercury. You go for mercury 0.79. 0.79. Next you for minus 0.74. Next, minus 0.74. And next you go for that in these values. Which is one? Which one we have magnesium? Minus 2.37. So, next is magnesium. Next we have last potassium. See, potassium minus 2.93 means less SRP value. More the SRP value, higher the reducing power. Higher the reducing power. See here, potassium having higher reducing power. Higher reducing power. So you have to remember, lower the SRP value, higher the reducing power. Simply you go for now. This is the order. This is the order. So if you remember, electrochemical series, these are the benefitable things to solve the numericals in electrochemistry. So please concentrate on this, you will get easily. Kings cannot make a zebra. I like his car's silvery gate. Or if you need in Hindi, you remember this. लेके काला धन नमोजी आए, जनता करे फिक्र, नहीं सुनकर करेंसी पर बैन है. And after this, you remember Mg, copper, silver, mercury, gold. If you like this concept, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, and they will be benefitable. Be safe at home. Thank you.